Good morning children, welcome to online classes. Today we will continue with our chapter number 5. We will solve exercise number 5.7. Okay, so first question in 5.7 is MCQ, multiple choice question. Okay, first one is, if a price of table is rupees 1250, what will be the price of 8 tables? If one table cost itna, so how much is the price of 8 tables? We will multiply and find it out. Okay, 8 zeros are 0, 8 fives are 40, 0, carry 4, 8 twos are 16, 16 plus 4 is 20, 0, carry 2, 8 ones are 8 plus 2 is 10. So what is the price of table? Price of table is 10,000, which is given in option number B. So you will take option number B. Number 2, a box contains 195 balls. 195 balls in one box. The number of balls contained in 50 such boxes. If one box contains 195 balls, so how much balls will be in 50 boxes? So we will multiply this. 0 5s are 0, 0 9s are 0, 0 1s are 0, 5 5s are 25, 5, carry 2. 5 9s are 45, 45 plus 2 is 47, 7, carry 4, 5 1s are 5 plus 4 is 9. Now add this. So how many balls should be there? 9,750, which is given in option number D. So for question number 2, you will take option number D. Now number 3 is, if one bus has 6 wheels, if one bus is having 6 wheels, 15,000 such buses have. So you will multiply this with 15,000. 6 zeros are 0, 0, 0, 6 5s are 30, 0, carry 3, 6 1s are 6, plus 3 is 9. So how much wheels should be there? Wheels should be, if one bus has 6 wheels, 15,000 such buses will have 90,000, but I think that the question is having one mistake. There should be 1500 buses. Okay, so your answer will be 9,000, which is given in option number B. You will correct this question. If one bus has 6 wheels, so 15,000, in place of 15,000 you will do 1500. Okay, or if 15,000 will come, 90,000, there is no option of 90,000, so you will take option number D, none. Okay, so what is the answer of this question? The answer of this question is none, because 90,000 wheels, there is no option of 90,000. Okay, now number 4th is, if one fan is having 3 blades, if one fan is having 3 blades, how much 1250 fans will have? You will multiply with 3, 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, 5, carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7, 3 1s are 3. So how much blades are there? 3,750, which is given in option number D. Number 5, a house has 12 rooms. The number of rooms in 235 such house. So 235 into 12. 2 5s are 10, 0, carry 1, 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7, 2 2s are 4. 1 5s are 5, 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2. 0, 12, carry 1, 8, 2. So what is the answer? 2,820, which is given in option number C. So you will take option number C. Now we will solve the word problems. Okay, question number 2, word problem. Question number 2 is, a man had put his money in 25 purses. Each purse contained rupees 250. Find the total amount of money had. How many purses are there? First we will write it. Number of purses is equals to 25. Now amount in each purse. So money in one purse. How much money is there in one purse? Rupees 250. So what you have to find it out? Money in 25 purses. This you have to find it out. So what we will do, we will multiply this, okay? So 250 into 25. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 carry 2, 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12. 2 zeros are 0, 2 5s are 10, 0, carry 1, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. Now add this 0, 5, 2, 6. So what is the answer? Answer is equals to rupees 6,250. So how much money are there in 25 purses? Rupees 6,250. Now number 3. Question number 3 is, there are 24 sections in school. First we will write number of sections in school. Number of sections in school. How many sections are there? 24, okay. 24. If each section has 48 students, means number of students in one section. SEC, I am writing the short form of section, okay. Number of students in one section. If there are 48 students in one section, find the total number of students in the school. You have to find the total students in school. This you have to find it out. How many sections are there in school? 24. And in each section, how many students are there? 48. So how we will find the total student? We will multiply both the numbers, okay. 24 into 48. 8 4s are 32. 2, 3 carry. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3 is 19. 4 4s are 16. 6 carry 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. Add this 2. 9 plus 6 15. 5 carry 1. 9 10 11. So how many students are there in the school? 1152 students. Now question number 4. Question number 4. What is question number 4? Question number 4 is, a bedsheet cost rupees 225. Find the cost of 31 such bed sheets. Okay. Here, question number 4. Cost of one bed sheet. What is the cost for one bed sheet? Cost of one bed sheet is equals to rupees 225. So you have to find the cost of 31 bed sheets. How you will find it out? We will multiply and find, okay. So 225 into 31. 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 2s are 2. 3 5s are 15, 5 carry 1, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 3 2s are 6. 5, 6, 7, 7, 8, 9, 6. So what is the cost for 31 bed sheet? The cost for 31 bed sheet will be 6,972 rupees. Okay. Now question number 5. Sorry. Question number 5. A truck has 6 wheels. How many wheels will be required for making 248 trucks? So first we will write number of trucks. Number of trucks. How many trucks are there? 248. Okay. And number of wheels in one truck. How many numbers of wheels are there in one truck? 6. So what you have to find it out, how many wheels will be required for 248 trucks. So number of wheels for 248 trucks. This you have to find it out. Okay. How we will find it out? 248 will be multiplied by 6. 6 8s are 48. 8 carry 4. 6 4s are 24 plus 4 is 28. 8 carry 2. 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. So how many wheels is required? 1488. Okay. So this is all for today. We will meet in our next class. Thank you.